Looking for something for Mother's Day or something new and exciting for your garden? You need to try one of these babies.
This is a new lilac this season. It's called Scent and Sensibility, and it's aptly named because it's got a beautiful scent, but it's very sensible in its size. It'll only get about 4 to 5 feet wide, but 3 feet tall, so it's great for a foundation planting or within other perennial beds.
Now, this is also similar to the bloomerang, right?
Correct. The bloomerang gets a little bit taller, but they are both reblooming lilacs, which is really nice because you'll get a big flush in the spring. And the secret to getting that second bloom is to cut the old flower heads off after it's done flowering. And in the fall, you'll get a whole nother crop.
Now, the bloomerang in particular is great in a pot too, isn't it?
Yes, these can be great in containers because they bloom twice, and it can give you a big presence, and with some beautiful perennials or annuals in front of that, it can give you a lot of color.
And it's super hardy.
Very hardy.
Another plant that could be good for the garden that isn't new, but it's old-fashioned and forgotten, I think, is the rugosa rose.
The rugosa rose we love to use in the landscape because it's got these big thorns that go up and down the stems, making it very deer resistant. It's got nice big flowers on it in mid-June, and in fall it gets an even better attribute.
That's right, the rose hips, which I love as a florist. I love to cut those rose hips. It gets tall too, so it makes a good privacy fencing.
Or a mixed border, and it's very bird friendly as well.
Great, a native to our area.
Sure is.
Very nice. Well, great gifts, great garden ideas for you for this spring.
Yes, so thank you for joining us. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Casey Krause, your home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.